me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So as you see, I have a new hair color again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I dyed my hair this indigo purplish color. To be honest, it came out a little darker than I was anticipating. However, for me to have gotten that pastel lilac color that I was going for, I would have had to bleach my hair to a very, very, very light platinum blonde. And I really wasn't trying to do that because I'm trying to take more care of my hair since I'm actually trying to grow it. So this is what we came out with, which is cute. To be honest, I like every color I do, and 9 times out of 10, every time I dye my hair, it doesn't always come out the color that I was anticipating. Even though I end up liking it, it just never comes out how I plan. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what colors that I used today to achieve this color. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Like I said in the beginning, it is darker than I was going for, but I like it, so it's okay. If you guys want to see pictures, of course, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. I'll have the products and colors that I used in the description box below. And yeah, if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!